Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, your boy the Banks. In this video, I'll be explaining what is financial market and the list of financial instruments that you're supposed to know. Stick with me from this very first beginning to the end because we have a lot to learn. If you're yet to watch my first video where I list the table of contents of this amazing course, do well to watch it so that you stay in line. Don't forget to like and subscribe on notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's dive into it. What is financial market? Financial market is a marketplace where buying and selling of financial instruments are being carried out. Financial market is vast. It ranges from stock, crypto, forex, and many more. I will not be emphasizing in any other financial market except forex and crypto market, which I do trade. So in my next video, I'll be explaining what is forex and why people trade forex. If you want to join my exclusive Telegram Signal group, the link is in the description. Follow the instructions, sign up with my recommended broker, fund your account with the least capital you can afford. Let's trade. See you in the next one. Peace.